Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mono audio for your earbuds HONOR Earbuds X6. And firstly I will show it on the iPhone and then on Android device. So on your iPhone, go to the settings and then click at the accessibility. Now we need to scroll down, and right here we have audio and visual, so we click on it. And right here at the third line we have mono audio. To enable it we need to click at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background and turn on. To disable it you need to also click at this slider if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Now let's move to Android device. So on your Android open settings, and also we need to find accessibility, so scroll down and right here I have it. Click on it and then scroll down again. And you need to find audio adjustment. Click on it, and right here we have mono audio. And it's the same. To enable it, just click at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, also click at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.